Welcome to Engineers Academy. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification for the upcoming videos. In today's lesson, we are going to write a script file for this problem 32 from chapter 4. So it says that use a while loop to determine how many terms in the series. This is a series 2 raised to the power k, and the k starts from 1 and it goes on. So it says that find the number of terms, how many terms are required for the sum of the terms to exceed 2000, right? So we want to find the number of terms until the sum of the terms do not exceed 2000, right? So what is the sum for this number of terms? So what will be the resulting sum for these number of terms for which the sum do not exceed 2000, right? So here I have written that script file in two different methods. This is one method, right, and this is another method, right? So both using while loop. So if we see here, so then here I have initiated this k is equal to 0, right? I will use this k as an address, and this is the sum of sum, right? So we cannot use sum for our own variable because the sum is a function, built-in function of MATLAB. So we will write sum sum, right? So I have initiated this sum is equal to 0, as we have learned while discussing the while loop, that we must initiate the loop variable. So sum is the loop variable, so we have initiated this sum equal to 0, right? And then we will write while, and then we will write sum is less than equal to 2000. So this is given in the problem, the sum must not exceed this, right? And then what I do is that I update this k value, right? So when we enter into the while loop for the first time, so the k value is 0, so then it will be updated and the k value will be 1, right? So in the first iteration, the k value will be equal to 1, and here I have written the term of k. So it will generate a term matrix, right? And here in the first iteration, the k value is 1, so what it will do, it will store the 2 raised to the power k value in the term matrix, right? And that will be the first element of that. So what will be there? 2 raised to the power k, and now k is 1, so 2 raised to the power k is 1, right? So this is the term matrix, that is the final term matrix. So initially what it will do, this code will store this 2 value here, right? So initially the term matrix will have, the term row vector will have only one value, that is 2, right? And then what it will do, it will find the sum of terms, right? So initially when k is equal to 1, so there will be only 2 in terms, so then it will, the sum will also be, in the first iteration the sum will also be 2, right? So then when it find the sum, so if it will check if the sum is less than 2000, so yes, 2 is less than 2000, so then what it will do, it will update k, and for the second iteration the k value will be 2, right? And then the term of 2, right? So term of 2, right? So term of 2 will be 2 raised to the power 2, so this time it will be 4, right? And in term matrix, in term row vector, we have already stored this, so this is the first element of that term, right? So then what it will do, this code will add 4 to that term matrix, right? So then in the second iteration, the term row vector will look like this, it will have 2 and 4, right? And then what this instruction will do is that it will find the sum of these, so it will be 4 plus 2, 6, right? So in the second iteration, the sum will have a value of 6, right? And then it will check again if the 6 is less than 2000, again it will repeat again and again, so it will generate this term matrix 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and it will check the sum, right? And when it comes to the key, these red ones are the k values, right? So for k is equal to 1, the term will have 2, for k is equal to 2, the term will have 2 and 4, for k is equal to 3, the term will have 2, 4 and 8, for k is equal to 9, so the term row vector will have these much values until 5, 1, 12, right? And then the sum of these 9 elements, the sum of these 9 elements until this point is how much? This is 1, 0, 2, 2, right? So the sum is 1, 0, 2, 2, and then it will check 1022 is not less than 2000, so then it will exceed. It will iterate again, and then the k value will be updated, and when the sum is 1022, so the k value was 9. So then when it goes for another iteration, so the k value will be updated, and this time the k value will be 10, right? So when k value is 10, so the term will be 1024, right? And the sum of the term will be this 2046, right? So what this instruction will do, this terms that it will add this 1024 in the term matrix, right? So it will store this value as well, and the sum will be 2046, and then it will check if the sum is less than equal to 2000, so then it will exceed, so then the while loop will end, right? And then here in this line the while loop will terminate, and here what will be the value of sum? So the sum, this sum will have the sum of these 10 elements of term, right? So this sum will be equal to how much? This is 2046, right? But in the problem we are asked to find the number of terms for which the sum do not exceed 2000, right? So then what we will do, and here when the while loop terminates, so the k value is 10, remember, right? The last value of k will be 10, right? So when k is equal to 10, so then this while loop terminates, right? So then for k is equal to 10, for 10 number of terms, the sum is this much, right? But we do not want this sum, right? So we want to find the number of terms for which the sum is less than 2046. So then what we will do, we will write sum, and we will subtract the last value of term, right, from the sum. So this is 2046, and this is the last term. So when I subtract 1024 from this, so what we will get, it will be 2, 2 and 1, so it will be 1022, right? So this will give us our requirement, so this will be 1022, right? And then number of terms, so number of terms will be 10 minus 1, right? So we need to subtract 1 from the number of terms, right? So this term is not our requirement, right? So as I have told you people that this is the shortcoming of while loop, right? So you people have to identify your solution yourself in case of while loop, right? So then this will give us the number of terms is 9, right? So I hope until this point you people would have understood. So let's check this in MATLAB. If I run this, so this is the sum. So the sum is 2046, and the sum of the 9 terms is 1022, and n terms is 9, right? So if I write term, so we have that term matrix, row vector 2, 4, 8, 16, this. So we have this last value, right? So we can do this in two ways as well. If I write, this is the sum, right? So now I do not want to subtract the last term, I want to do it in some other way. So I can do it like this. I can delete the last term, and then I can take the sum, right? So if I delete the last element of the term, so then our sum will be equal to sum of term, right? So we will also get the same sum, right? So now if I run this, here we can see that the sum will be this, the initial sum will be 2046, and then I have deleted the last element, right? And then as we have, this is the sum, right? 1022 again, and number of terms is 9. And we can also do in another way as well, right? So if I write the n terms is length of term, so length of term, so we can see that this is the row vector, and there are how much elements? There are 9 elements, so the length of term is 9. So in other words, it will give us the number of terms. So if I run this, so we can see we get the same answer, right? So this is up to you. So now we do not need this, right? So if I run this again, so as we can see, these are the number of terms, this is the sum, and this is the term row vector, this is the sum of these 9 elements, and these are the number of terms, right, for which the sum will exceed 2000, right? Now this is another way of doing this same problem, right? So here I have initiated this k is equal to 0, just like this, and also the sum is equal to 0, right? And then I have written the same instruction that sum is less than equal to 2000, and then I update the k value, and here I only update the sum, right? I do not construct the term row vector, right? So there is no need of it in this script file, right? So this is sum, and then sum plus 2 raised to the power k, right? So initially, when in the first iteration the k value will be 0, so when it enters, so the k value will be 0, so it will check that if sum is less than 2000, so we have stored the value of sum is 0, right? So we must initiate this sum, right? So if we do not initiate this, so the while loop will give us error, right? So it will check if sum is less than 2000, yes, it is less than 2000, it will update k. So in the first iteration, when the k is updated, so again the k value will be 1, right? So it will be 1. And then sum will be updated. So here we have 0, 0 plus 2 raised to the power 1. So sum will have what? Sum will have 2 value in the first iteration, right? So for the first iteration, the sum value will be 2, right? And then it will again loop out, so loop again, so then 2 is less than 2000, so again it will update k value. So if I write, so these are k values and these are sum values, right? So then the k value will be 2, right? And now from the first iteration, the sum has 2 values, so this has 2 value, and then this time it will, what it will do is that the k value is 2, so it will add 2 raised to the power 2 with the previous 2, right? So then it will have 6 value. For the second iteration, the sum will have 6 value. And now the sum has a value of 6. It will check if 6 is less than 2000, yes, k will be updated. So k will be 3, right? And now this time for the third iteration, the sum has 6 value, right? And then the k value is 3, so then it will take 2 to the power 3, so then it will be 8, and 8 plus 6, so it will add 8 to the previous value of sum, so this time it will have 14, right? And so on, it will run until the sum exceeds 2000, right? So then again we will check the sum. So this sum will give us what? This sum will give us 2046 answer, just like the previous script file, right? And then we will subtract the last term, right? So the iteration will stop at k is equal to 10, right? So the k value, the last k value will be 10, so it will subtract this last element. So 2 raised to the power 10 is this 1024 value, right? So when we subtract 1024 value from this 2046, so that will be our required sum, right? So this is our required sum from the problem, from this problem, right? And then we will find the number of terms. So what we will do, the k value will be 10, so we will subtract one value from that 10, so then we will actually get the number of terms for which the sum will not exceed 2000, right? So this script file is a little bit simple than that one, right? So now if I run this in the MATLAB, this one, if I run this, so as we can see the same result. This is 2046, 1022, and the number of terms for which the sum will not exceed 2000, so it is 9, right? So I hope you people would have understood this problem and the use of while loop.